Hello students, welcome back to my video again. So in the previous one we have just finished the general sections of word problems of exercise 8.4 page number 185. We have just finished the trivial sections, that is general sections. I hope that help you out. Now we are now in the creative sections A. Okay, so let's start with the 6A number. Now let's get into that. Now in 6A, this questions, let's read out the questions for you. If the sum of two numbers is 10 and their product is 24, find the numbers. So in this case, what to suppose? Let, in this case, let one number be x, then another will be, what will be the another? Just guess. Okay, I'll take you. I'll explain you with examples. So the sum of two numbers is 10. Suppose if one number is 6, now it is easy to guess what will be the another number. Another number. If the sum of two numbers is 10, so if one number you suppose 6, then another must be 4 because 6 plus 4, 10. Now if you suppose one number 7, another must be 3 because 7 plus 3, 10. Same like that. If one number is for example 4, then another must be 6. So now how do you interpret this type of suppose? Now look at this. Now number, if you suppose one number 6, another number is 4, how do you get this number? 10 minus 6, that is 4. Same wise, if another number is 7, then another number will be 10 minus 7, that will be 3. Just like that. 10 minus 4, 6. So in the same way, if we consider one number x, then another must be 10 minus x. Now here, let one number be x, then another number will be 10 minus. You got it? Okay. Now by equation, x times these two numbers, the product of these two numbers must be equals to 24. Or now you simplify, 10x minus x squared is equals to 24. 0 equals to, move all to the right hand side, minus 10x plus 24. Or now you factorize this. Factors of 24, that results 10. So when you sum, results 10. Okay, x squared minus 6 plus 24, 6 plus 4, 10. You must know how to factorize now in this level. Now 6x minus 4x plus 24 equals to 0. Or x minus 6, here minus 4 common, x minus 6 equals to 0. Or x minus 6, x minus 4 equals to 0. Now we can do either x minus 6 equals to 0, or x equals to 6, or x minus 4 equals to 0, or x equals to 4. So you have two values for x. One is 6 and another is 4. So what you do is, how to represent this answer is, when you take x equals to 6, then another number will be 10 minus x, that is 10 minus 6, which is 4. If when x is 4, then another number will be 10 minus x, that is 10 minus 4, which is 6. So in this case there are two values, okay? Either the number should be 6 4 or 6 4 or 4 6. Therefore the numbers are 6 4 or 4 6. This is how you represent the answer. Now I hope you able to understand this question and the answers that I represent here. Okay, now let's move on to number 6b. So in 6b, the product of two positive numbers is 56. Okay, the product of two positive numbers is 56. So we have to consider any number that should be positive. So if their difference is 10, if their difference in the 6a equations, the sum of two number is 10. Okay, the sum of two number is 10. So in that case we have considered one number one number x, and another number will be 10 minus x. But in this case, if their difference, here is given difference, not the sum. Okay, in this case, if the difference is 10, then if we consider one number x, then another will be 10 plus x. Okay, this is how you should consider. Now by equation their product must be how much? 56. Okay, now you simplify. I'm just going to remove this. Now you simplify. Okay, 10 times x plus x square is equals to 56, or x square plus 10x minus 56 must equals to 0. Now factors of 56. 14 times 4, 56. 14 minus 4, 10. 14 minus 4 minus 56 equals to 0. X square plus 14x minus 4x minus 56 equals to 0. X take common. X plus 14 inside the bracket minus 4 common. X plus 14 inside the bracket, or x plus 14 common. Now you do either x plus 14 equals to 0, which is x equals to minus 14, or we have to consider the positive number. So in this case, here the values of we have derived the values of x in a negative sign, minus 14, so you reject this. We will be only be needing the positive numbers by because of the equations that is mentioned in the equations. That's why we use only the positive values for x. Now in this case, x minus 4 equals to 0, x equals to 4. Now when x is, therefore the numbers are, you can directly start, therefore the numbers are, one is 4, another will be another, ANOTHER, another is 10 plus x, that is 10 plus 4, 14. Therefore the numbers are 4 and 14. Okay, so after finishing this 6a and b, now let's move on to the number 6c. So if you have finished this, I'll be rubbing this now. Okay, so first I would like to start by explaining this equations number 6c. A number exceeds another by 3, which means if we take certain numbers, the another number must be 3 more than the number we have taken. For example, if I take number 10, as the initial number, the another number must be 3 more than the 10. Okay, which means 13. Yes, 13 is 3 more than the 10. Suppose if I take a 17 as an initial number, then the another number must be 3 more than the 17, which must be 17 plus 3, that is equals to 20. Yes, so like same voice, if I take certain number 1, then another must be 4 is 3 more than 1. How do you get this? 1 plus 3. So just like that, if I take one number x, then another number must be x plus 3, because another number has to exceed this number by 3. So that's why we have added 3 on the next number. So if you understand this concept, then you can start. Now I'm going to rub this. So in number 6c, let one number be x, then another will be x plus 3. Okay, now by equations, x times x plus 3 must be equals to 40. Now you just okay, now x squared plus 3 times x equals to 40, or x squared plus 3x minus 40 is equals to 0. Okay, now you just factorize that of factors of 40, that is x squared plus 8 minus 5, 8 5 is 40, 8 minus 5 3, plus 8x minus 5x minus 40 equals to 0, x plus 8 minus 5, x plus 8 equals to 0. Now here x plus 8, you take x plus 8, and the remaining inside the bracket is x minus 5 equals to 0. Now you take either x plus 8 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 8, or x minus 5 equals to 0, or x equals to 5. So we have two values for x, one is minus 8 and one is 5. So there is nothing mentioned in the questions, either that should be positive or negative, so nothing is mentioned. So we take the both values for x, negative also and positive also. So in this case, when x is minus 8, then another number will be x plus 3, that is minus 8 plus 3, which results to minus 5. But when x equals to 5, then another number will be x plus 3, that is 5 plus 3, that results to 8. Therefore the numbers are either minus 5, minus 8, minus 5, or it should be 5, 8. This is the answer, how you represent. Okay, now after finishing this, let's move on to the number D, 60. So I'll try to elaborate that 60 equations. Divide 11 into two parts so that their product will be 24. Okay, divide 11 into two parts. That means you have to divide 11 in such a way that their product will be 24. You don't have to do anything. This D number questions is just like number C. Not number C. This D number question is just like number 6A. Okay. So if you consider certain numbers x, let one number be x, then another must be 11 minus x. That's it. That's That is the what the question is trying to you know convey. Okay, now you can start. Now the product must be 24. You can do it without my help if you wanted to. So this and this same way, but the way of asking the questions may different, but the the procedure how to do that is same. Okay, but the how you initiate the things is all same, but the way of asking question is different, and some of the students might find this one a little bit difficulty. Okay, now you can start. X times, if you multiply this number, the resultant must be 24. Now you simplify. 11x minus x square is equals to 24, or 0 equals to x square minus 11x plus 24, or now you factorize this 24. Actually it's 24. 12 to the 24. So 12. 6 4 24. What should be the number there? Okay, just guess. So what should be the number there in order to factorize that? Okay, let's say 24 to 12. 4 to the 8. 8 3, yes. 8 plus 3. 8 3 is 24. 8 plus 3 equals to 0. Now you do x square minus 8x minus 3x plus 24 equals to 0, or x minus 8, take minus 3 common, x minus 8, that will be, now x minus 8, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now you take either x minus 8 equals to 0, or x equals to 8, or x minus 3 equals to 0, or x equals to 3. Okay, now so there is nothing, so the product will be 24. Therefore when x is equals to 8, then the another number will be 11 minus x, that is 11 minus 8, that will be 3. Now when x equals to 3, then another number will be 11 minus 3, that is 11 minus 3 8. Okay, therefore the numbers are either 8 3 or 3 8. That's it. So for today's video, this much for today's video. So we'll be continuing the next questions in the next video too. So until then, keep watching my videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit like button to my channel, and please forward this to the other students, other friends of yours that you might find helpful by this video. Okay, so goodbye until then, goodbye and take care.